Hey there everybody, and in today's video, we're going to be looking at this S-21 JR type diesel locomotive from Tomy plarail. This is actually one of my first ever Tomy plarail trains that's not Thomas & Friends. I got this off of Amazon for like 20 bucks. As you can see, the box is a bit ripped, but hopefully the contents inside isn't that bad. Basically, in the box, you have like the engine presented, along with the diesel with like Tomy plarail symbol and the brutal things, and some Japanese stuff that I can't really read. On the back, it has like some instructions, just from like information, and on the bottom here it shows what it looks like. So yeah, let's just get this thing on the box and see how it works. So this is like this little, oh that's cool. Oh wait, this is this thing to like hang it up on like the pegs and stuff. It's actually awesome. Huh. Anyways, I'm gonna cut the camera a bit here just so I can get the tape off. Alright, here it is. Oh, bit of foam. God, this is tightly packed. Oh yeah. Oh man, I love this streamlined look. I've seen this on like a YouTube video before and I really liked it, so I figured I should like pick one up for myself. Yeah. Let's use this scissors here. Scissors. Hold please. Alright, so here it is. All with the two train cars and the locomotive. We'll take a look at the locomotive first. So pretty simple. The windows are actually open except for the front. It has some nice designs like a little logo. Again, focus. The Tomy logo on the bottom. Traction tires. Yeah, honestly, pretty solid model. So next up is the middle train car. Yeah, honestly, it looks really good. Again, it has like that little logo, some Japanese, some detailing on the roof. And last up is the back car, or the dummy unit for the front. It's basically the same, except, without the motor, it's hollow, so, yeah, I'll put some batteries in this thing, and, yeah, we have a little, running session. Also, a quick little, side note, the chassis here runs on just one AA, so let's see if this sucker works. And it does! So, right, little fella. Also, one other thing I should add, is that, they come with this little collectible card, which I think is cool. There's nothing on the back, it's just like a little piece of plastic, or not plastic, cardboard. But, yeah, it's pretty cool. Also, one other really quick thing to mention is, this engine has double speed. It goes on and faster. Off on high. I never had a locomotive that could do that. This is the normal, and then this is the high. So yeah, let's get to the running video now.